Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike York. Today is Monday, and it's November 23rd. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, and I hope you guys got some great upcoming plans for a very short week we're going to have this week. Obviously, Thursday here in the U.S. will be Thanksgiving, and we'll have Thursday and Friday off, so it'll be just today through Wednesday. And expect some light trading in terms of the stock market and the markets due to a lot of people going on vacation for the whole week. But until then, let's take a look here at the economic reports. We do got two pieces of data that are both brought to the IHS market reports. And we'll start off with the manufacturing. Previous report came out in October at 53.4. Anything above 50 on these two reports is considered expansion or expanding areas. The figure forecast of about 53 is slightly lower. However, it exceeded that. It jumped up 56.7. Good numbers in manufacturing. Then we also got the services industry for this, and October was 56.9. Forecast again called for a slight dip to 55. However, it rose to 57.7. So both overall numbers, good data that came in, showed some improvement in the month of November. So we'll hopefully see that continue. But until then, we'll have to kind of take this slowly as we kind of work our way through all these data that's coming out in terms of COVID cases. So we'll touch on that here on the headline news. Stocks are a little mixed today. Nasdaq is the lone index so far in negative territory, but again, this week will be kind of light, as I reiterated. This week, a lot of the big trade fund guys are on vacation, so we'll have a lot of day traders. So it could be a little choppy due to the market, but right now, Nasdaq's the only one that's in negative territory. And what's kind of affecting the market, of course, is COVID-related news. We had reports of, there's some optimism coming in for the vaccines. Looks like there's U.S. health officials kind of okayed some experimental drugs to be used and fight with it to help with it. So that could be good news for those who are, as cases have been rising, to help those people who have been going to hospitalizations and stuff. Let's take a look here at see how everything's affecting the bond market, what mortgage rates are doing today. We're down about 14 basis points, so that translates to a little bit worse in pricing. So rates went down it usually translates to about 1/8% on the rate. So that's kind of where we are today. We do got this floor here of this technical level. We'll see if it can support it if we kind of get down that far. Hopefully not. Hopefully we'll keep up here. But again, we do have a floor of support here just underneath the 103.40 range. Let's take a look here at yields. Yields broke above its 25-day moving average and technical level. As you kind of say here, Friday it held. However, today it kind of broke above that. So right now it's just under 0.86 for the day so far on yields. That's kind of adding the pressure to the mortgage-backed securities as a result. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap for the day. I hope that helps you guys. If you get so mortgage rates went up slightly today. If you guys are in the market to refinance or purchase, please stay tuned. If you guys got questions, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video as well as in the description. You can go there. We provide a lot of answers for maybe some of the questions you may have. If we don't have those answers for you guys, please feel free. My contact information will be on there. Please feel free to reach out. A little bit about myself. I am a loan officer and I work with a national lender. So please feel free to again, reach out to us. We'll be happy to answer or help you guys in any way. If you guys are looking to refinance, we can certainly help you guys get those loans with the lower rates, or if you want to take money out of your properties, refinance, or go from a 30 to 15-year or 20-year, we can help you with those as well. If you're looking to go, or if you got different strategies you want to work with, we can help people with those as well, from divorce situations to those who are looking to look for college funding for their kids, stuff like that. We've provided solutions on those areas as well. And then purchases, we can help you with your pre-approvals so you can buy your next property and help finance that as well. Again, please feel free to reach out. Stay tuned for the link, and find it in the description or at the end of this video. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.